Hello, future biologists. Welcome to your journey through Class 9 Biology. Today, we are diving into a fascinating and crucial topic, antibiotics, within the chapter of Five Kingdom classification. We'll start with the basics, then explore their discovery, how they work, the growing challenge of resistance, and even future solutions. Get ready for an insightful learning adventure. Ever wondered how tiny pills can fight off nasty germs? Let's uncover the basics of antibiotics and their amazing power. On this first easy slide, let's define antibiotics. They are powerful medicines specifically designed to kill or stop the growth of harmful bacteria. They act like tiny, precise soldiers, targeting bacterial cells without harming our own human cells. Some antibiotics are bactericidal, meaning they directly kill bacteria, while others are bacteriostatic, which means they simply stop bacteria from multiplying, allowing your body's immune system to finish the job. It's a truly remarkable way our bodies get help fighting off infections. Moving on to the discovery and limitations of these wonder drugs. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was accidentally discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928, from a common mold called Penicillium notatum star. This accidental observation revolutionized medicine. However, it's crucial to remember that antibiotics are only effective against bacterial infections. They do not work against viruses, which cause illnesses like the common cold or flu. Understanding this distinction is vital for proper treatment and preventing misuse. Time to test your understanding of the basics. Pause the video now, answer these 3 questions, and see how well you've grasped the fundamental concepts of antibiotics. This will help solidify your knowledge before we move to the next level. Ready to dig a little deeper? Let's explore more about these powerful germ fighters, their different types, and how they changed the course of medical history. On this slide, we delve into the types and historical impact of antibiotics. These antimicrobial agents, often produced by other microorganisms, selectively target and inhibit harmful bacteria. We differentiate between broad-spectrum antibiotics, which are effective against a wide range of bacteria, and narrow-spectrum antibiotics, which target specific types. Their discovery truly transformed medicine, making previously fatal infections treatable and enabling advanced medical procedures. They are rightly called a microbial allies. Let's revisit the incredible story of penicillin. In 1928, Alexander Fleming made his serendipitous discovery, noticing a mold inhibiting bacterial growth in his lab. He identified this mold as Penicillium notatum and its active agent as penicillin. Fast forward to the 1940s and scientists Howard Florey and Ernst Chain successfully purified and mass-produced penicillin. This breakthrough was critical during World War II, saving countless lives and ushering in a golden age of antibiotic discovery, forever changing public health. Understanding how antibiotics work at a cellular level is key. They employ various mechanisms. Some, like penicillins, disrupt the formation of bacterial cell walls, causing the bacteria to burst. Others, such as tetracyclines, interfere with bacterial protein synthesis, preventing them from making essential components. Still others, like fluoroquinolones, disrupt bacterial DNA replication. These actions are highly specific, targeting unique bacterial processes and structures, thereby minimizing harm to our own human cells. Now, challenge yourself with 5 questions that delve into the mechanisms, types, and historical context of antibiotics. Take your time, think critically about the information we've covered, and consolidate your understanding of these vital medicines. Let's unravel the complexities and challenges associated with antibiotics, including the critical issue of resistance and their fascinating connection to the 5 Kingdom classification. On this slide, we tackle antibiotic resistance, a major global concern. This occurs when bacteria evolve, developing the ability to withstand the effects of antibiotics, making treatments ineffective. It's primarily driven by the overuse and misuse of antibiotics, which creates a selective pressure for resistant strains to thrive. We also discuss important side effects, such as allergic reactions and the disruption of our beneficial gut microbiome, which can lead to further health issues. Responsible usage is paramount. Antibiotics are classified in several ways. We categorize them based on their chemical structure, such as beta-lactams like penicillins or aminoglycosides like streptomycin. Another crucial classification is based on their action. Bactericidal antibiotics directly kill bacteria, while bacteriostatic antibiotics merely inhibit their growth, allowing the body's immune system to take over. This slide uses a detailed table to compare these different classes and their specific modes of action, providing a clearer understanding. Here, we connect antibiotics to the five-kingdom classification. The primary targets of antibiotics are organisms from kingdom Monera, specifically bacteria, as antibiotics exploit their unique prokaryotic structures and metabolic pathways. Interestingly, many crucial antibiotics originate from organisms in kingdom fungi, such as Penicillium mold, and even from certain bacteria within kingdom Monera, like Streptomyces species. This demonstrates a remarkable interkingdom biological interaction, where one organism's defense mechanism becomes another's medicine, highlighting the importance of microbial diversity. These 7 questions require a more analytical approach. Consider the implications of antibiotic resistance, delve into the nuances of their classification, and reflect on their broader biological context within the five-kingdom classification. Good luck with these challenging questions. Prepare to explore the cutting edge of antibiotic science, from the intricate molecular mechanisms of resistance to innovative future solutions and the profound engineering insights behind these essential drugs. On this slide, we dive deep into the molecular mechanisms of antibiotic resistance. Bacteria have evolved sophisticated strategies, including efflux pumps that actively expel antibiotics, enzymes that inactivate the drugs, and modifications to the antibiotics' target sites within the cell. We also introduce the critical global crisis of antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, which poses a severe threat to public health, leading to untreatable infections and significant economic burdens worldwide. Understanding these mechanisms is key to developing new countermeasures. Let's explore the diverse sources and complex biosynthesis of antibiotics. Natural antibiotics are produced by microorganisms like fungi and certain bacteria. Semi-synthetic antibiotics are natural compounds chemically modified to enhance their properties, while synthetic antibiotics are entirely designed and created in the lab. However, the path to discovering new antibiotics is fraught with challenges, including high costs, lengthy development timelines, and the increasing difficulty of finding truly novel targets that bacteria haven't already developed resistance to, exacerbating the AMR crisis. This slide details the specific biochemical pathways targeted by antibiotics, providing a link to the five-kingdom classification. For example, penicillin inhibits transpeptidases, crucial enzymes for peptidoglycan synthesis in bacterial cell walls, a component unique to kingdom Monera. This specificity is why antibiotics generally don't harm eukaryotic cells. Moreover, organisms from kingdom fungi, like Penicillium are primary producers of these drugs, showcasing how understanding these intricate interkingdom biochemical differences is fundamental for rational drug design and overcoming resistance. Finally, we explore alternative strategies and the broader ecological impact of antibiotics. These include phage therapy, which uses viruses to kill bacteria, and antimicrobial peptides, which are natural broad-spectrum agents. Vaccines play a crucial role in preventing infections, reducing antibiotic demand. Emerging CRISPR-based approaches offer precision targeting of resistance genes. We also discuss how antibiotics exert strong selective pressure, altering microbial communities and driving the evolution of resistance, impacting not just the human microbiome but broader ecosystems as well. These advanced questions will challenge your in-depth understanding of antibiotic resistance, drug design, and alternative therapies. Focus on the molecular, societal, and economic aspects. Take your time to formulate comprehensive answers for questions 1 through 5. Continue testing your knowledge with questions 6 through 10. These delve into evolutionary implications, specific biochemical mechanisms, and the broader context of antibiotics within biology and medicine. Reflect on all the concepts we've covered to answer these thought-provoking questions thoroughly. Thank you for joining this deep dive into antibiotics. We hope you've gained valuable insights into their history, mechanisms, the challenges of resistance, and future solutions. For more such engaging and comprehensive educational content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and to continue your journey of discovery in biology and beyond. Stay curious, keep learning, and excel in your studies.